12. Finishing touches. Start by picking up the rear metal panel of the PC. With the exhaust holes nearest the front of the PC, you will find 3 latches on the rear panel that will correspond to 3 holes on the PC. Match these up. With the panel secure in the front, swing the back of the panel towards the build. Make sure that no wires get in the way when closing the case. Screw the rear panel onto the PC using the captive thumb screws that are located in the back of the metal panel. Next, grab the glass panel from where you left it. Slide the glass panel in at an angle so that it is securely seated behind the metal bottom lip. Push the top of the glass gently into the rubber standoffs until you hear them pop into place. Finally, secure the glass by turning the captive thumb screw. Attach the antennas that came with your Wi-Fi card or motherboard to the rear of your PC by screwing them onto the nubs found on the back of the Wi-Fi card or motherboard I/O. Screw them in at the base when turning them, or they may not attach properly. Ensure that the button on the PSU is switched to the off position. Plug in the power supply into the wall using the power cable that was provided in your PSU box. Plug in your monitor's HDMI or DisplayPort cable into the ports on your GPU. Do not plug into the motherboard I/O or you will get no display. Plug in the mouse and keyboard into the motherboard. And if you have wired internet, this would be a good time to plug in the Ethernet cable. In the back of the PC, turn on the PSU. This will not start your PC, it will simply provide power to your parts. To turn on the PC, press the power button that is at the front top area of the computer case. We advise checking for and downloading driver updates on the official websites of your hardware for optimal performance. Congratulations! You've finished building your PC.